Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your account here in Stripe. Let's begin. Verifying your Stripe account is essential to comply with legal and regulatory requirements, as well as to ensure smooth transactions on the platform. Because as you can see from here, I'm on the test mode. And this account, since it's in test mode, I have to complete my business profile to accept live payment. That means I need to verify my account here. And for me to be able to do that, I have to continue to activate by following all of these steps. I can simply click on this one or click on the upper right corner where I need to complete the profile, whichever is the case. There's going to be following steps here. Number one is, of course, you need to verify your business. All right. Now, you need to fill in as much as information as you can. For example, that's going to be the business type. All right. Put in the business location. For example, you are maybe in New Zealand, or depending on your, as you can see, the business location changes and the business type. If I hover again to the United States, there's going to be a type of business and the business structure, wherein in New Zealand there's only two options. You see that? And the type of business, you can choose individual, company, non-profit, or maybe if you choose company, there's going to be the business structure wherein there's sole proprietorship, single member LLC, multi-member LLC, private partnership, private corporation. If you are not sure, you might want to click on that. Click on continue. What will happen is you would be forwarded to the next section. It'll take a little while. And then from here, all you have to do is provide your legal business name. Your for example, I'm going to put in my legal business name, which is going to be Deep Laughs Channel. Of course, if you have the employer identification number or EIN, you might want to put that. And the business name, it's optional. You can put in the business address if you wanted, the business phone number, and of course the industry: software, clothing and accessories, consulting services, professional services, and a lot more. In this case, I'm going to be putting in entertainment and recreation. Well, the content creation for YouTube is not here, but I'm going to put in other entertainment and recreation. And of course, you have to be honest with all of these because it's part of the KYC requirements, or know your customers. All right. Because financial institutions, including payment processors like Stripe, are legally required to verify the identities of their users under laws such as the USA Patriot Act or the Anti-Money Laundering AML regulations. All right, so you have to put in the, for example, it's going to be a less than 100,000 business website if you have it. And so the Stripe is intelligent to see if the domain couldn't be verified. All right, and of course you can put in the product description, for example, that, and click on continue if you are able to. And then after that, you click on the next option, which is going to be the business representative. All right. All you have to do is put in all the information here. Enter your name exactly as it is recorded with the government agencies such as IRS. Okay. And of course, from here, the business owners. If you wanted to add a business owner, you can do that. You can add someone new. And of course, you need to put in their legal names. For example, this. Click on add. Just wait for it to load. It'll take a little time. And if you want another owner, you are welcome to do so by clicking on continue. And the next thing is the public details, wherein you need to select a statement descriptor from the list below or enter a custom one if you wanted. Deep Laughs, or a shortened description, is going to be deep, or custom is going to be like DL. you need to put in the customer support phone number and the customer support address. All right. After that, click on the add your bank, which is one of the most crucial step here. You can, of course, choose the bank account that you wanted. A payout is the transfer of funds from Stripe to your bank account. Of course, this is very important to link your account to seamlessly receive payouts, and of course, help the Stripe better understand the business. You can choose the Chase, Bank of America, or any bank that you have here. If you wanted, you can search your bank. For example, type in HSBC. All right, click on it, and you would be forwarded to the HSBC website, if I'm not mistaken. Right here, you can log in via the Stripe and its partners. Just wait for it. It takes a little while. And enter your credentials, username, password, date of birth, and click on continue. Or you can simply go to the official website of HSBC. All right. Yes, I'm going to click on exit. We're just going to select form. Now, if you wanted to enter your bank details manually, you can do that, wherein you just have to put your routing number, your account number. Your bank account must be a checking account, and of course, from there, you need to confirm your account number. And by adding your bank account to your Stripe account and clicking below, you authorize Stripe to debit your bank as described in these terms. All you have to do is click on save. And from there, the next option is to secure your account. You need to use the two authentication factor here in Stripe. We have a separate video for that you might want to check on our channel. If you wanted to add some extras such as tax calculation, you can select your product category here and click on continue. If you wanted to check the climate contributions, you can do so. You can set your contribution, for example, 0.5%, or the most popular, which is 1% of your revenue, 1.5%. And of course, you can start contributing after your business has processed these kind of amount. And the last stage is going to be the review and finish option, wherein this is going to be the summary. All right. You make sure you put all the information here and do not miss out any details. And by the verification here on your account, you can prevent potential interruptions in service that could affect your customers and overall business operations. And all you have to do is click the agree and submit and wait for the verification team to send your email once you're verified your account. All right. Otherwise, if it's taking too long and you can still get verified after putting in all the information, you might want to send them an email inquiring about the status of your account here in Stripe. And one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix on the status of your application. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.